Namaste, my name is B.S.N. Murthy. Madan Mohan Malaviya was a freedom fighter. Apart from being a freedom fighter, he was also the founder of Banaras Hindu University. When he got this idea of this big university, he did not have funds. He actually needed funds to construct and then procure land and then construct this big university. So he started going in search of funds. In those days, when he got this idea of this university, different parts of India was ruled by different kings. So he was going from one kingdom to other to procure these funds. One day he landed up in Hyderabad. The king of Hyderabad was the Nizam of Hyderabad. And then he entered into that Falaknuma palace, and then he said, "This is what is the job I am on. I want to construct a university which will be useful for generations together to impart knowledge and wisdom. And I heard you are the richest person in this part of the world. So I am seeking some fund from you for the construction of the university." Nizam on that day was not in a good mood. He said, "No fund, nothing. I am not going to donate anything. Please leave." This learned gentleman, Madan Mohan Malaviya, said, "No, I have travelled all the way from Varanasi. So I have to take something from you and then go. Till you give something, I am not going to leave your palace." So he started hunger strike in the palace itself. Nizam was getting irritated. And the irritation went up to such an extent that when he lost control on his anger, Nizam took his shoe and then he threw the shoe on Madan Mohan Malaviya. Madan Mohan Malaviya was not disturbed. He did not take it as an insult. He immediately picked up that shoe, walked out of Falaknuma palace, and then he reached Medina near Charminar. Medina was a very big business place in those days. He sat in the Medina market and then he said, "King's shoe is on auction." Right? And then he started auctioning the king's shoe, Nizam's shoe. People were interested, businessmen there, because it's king's shoe. So everyone started participating in the auction. The auction started, and then it started going from tens to hundreds to thousands. Nizam, sitting in the darbar, got this news through his secret agents that his shoe is on auction. Immediately he called his Divanchi, his accountant. He gave him some money, and then he said, "Go participate in that auction and then get back my shoe." That accountant obeyed the orders of Nizam. He went and then participated in that auction, and then he got back the shoe to Nizam. That money that is collected in the auction of that shoe is utilized in the construction of Banaras Hindu University. This is a story which happened in India, in Hyderabad. What is the moral of this particular incident or story is, intelligence is there with everyone. God has blessed everyone with equal amount of intelligence. Only thing is, we got to put that intelligence to use. When you start putting that intelligence to use, you can do wonders with your life. This is the moral we have to learn from this story. Thank you very much.